Hello students, how are you? I think all are learning thoroughly your chapters for your upcoming online exam. Today we will learn chapter 4 using logo commands. In MS Logo we will find various logo commands. Same I will discuss with you in this chapter. MS Logo provides several basic commands called primitives. We can use these commands to move the turtle on the graphic screen to draw various figures. We can write these logo commands in small as well as capital letters. Forward command. Forward command moves the turtle forward in the direction in which it is pointing. As all of you know, in the earlier video I have told you, you can apply this command in the input box. This box is your recall list box, and this box is your graphic screen, where we will find the output of the logo command. Now I want to apply forward command. So no need to write forward, just we will type short FD. After that we will decide how many times to move the turtle forward by number of units. Here we will type FD 70. If I type FD 70, look, our turtle will move 70 unit. This way our turtle start moving. Back command. Back command moves the turtle in the direction opposite to which the turtle is pointing. Like FD command, we need to specify the number of steps. If we want to turtle to move with back command, we will type back with number of steps the turtle to back with command. Here 30, region 30, we will see in the graphic screen our turtle back 30 units. Right command. Right command turns the turtle towards the right side, that is clockwise. However, the turtle's position is not changed. While using the RT command, we also have to specify the value of an angle by which we want to turtle to rotate. RT60 written here. If I type RT60 in the input box, we will see our turtle will be rotate 60 times clockwise. Okay. Left command turns the turtle towards the left side, that is anti-clockwise, but does not change its position. Like RT command, here also we have to specify the angle by which we want to turtle to rotate. If I type if I type LT60, then we will see our turtle angle 60 in the anti-clockwise direction rotate. Home command. Home command brings the turtle to its starting position and also called as home position. The turtle home is at the center of the graphics screen. We will type full. Home, there is no short form. We will type full in the input box. We will see our turtle in the graphic screen home position we will find. Set command. Set command is similar to RT command as it also rotates the turtle in a clockwise direction by the specified angle. The only difference is that each time when we use set command, the turtle turns from its home position instead of the current position. We will type set 45. We will see the command rotate to the turtle to the right side by an angle of 45. That means we will find our turtle home position instead of current position. Clear text. Clear text command cleans all the text written in the record list box. If you want to clean all the commands from our record list box, we will type CT. After that, we will find our record list box is empty. There is no command applied. But in the graphics screen, we will find our output. There we will not find any change. Clear skin. Clear skin command cleans the figures drawn on the graphics screen and brings the turtle back to its home position. When you type CS in the input box, we will find our graphics screen. The figures drawn on the graphics screen is totally empty, totally rough after applying this command. And another thing is that we can apply CS clear text, CS clear screen and CT clear text command together. First we will type CS or first we will type CT. After that we will give single space, we will type CT. First we will type CS, after that we will give space, we will type CT, then we will find our record list box also empty, our graphics screen also empty. This way we can apply the commands and we will see the output in our graphics screen by using logo commands. Next video I will discuss with you remaining pages regarding this chapter. If you have any queries regarding this chapter, write in the comment box. Thank you all.